The Optare MetroCity is an integral midibus manufactured by Optare since 2013. Originally aimed at the London market, the MetroCity is based on the existing Optare Versa, which continues to be produced separately. In the UK market, longer variants of the MetroCity have replaced the Optare Tempo SR. As of September 2017, 145 had been built. Diesel version. The first prototype was delivered to London United. The MetroCity is available in 5 lengths, with the V990MC, V1010MC, V1060MC, V1080MC and V1152MC models measuring 9.9 meters, 10.1 meters, 10.6 meters, 10.8 meters and 11.52 meters long respectively. The shorter models are designed to replace the Optare Solo SR in London, while the longer models are designed to replace the Optare Versa and Optare Tempo SR in the London market. Although the Solo SR and Versa remain in production, the Tempo SR has now been entirely discontinued in the UK market with the introduction of the MetroCity due to poor sales. Electric version. An electric version is available named MetroCity EV, using a 150 kilowatts Magtech motor. In July 2014, 4 entered service with London United on route H98. In September 2015, 9 entered service with Arriva London on route 312. Operators. United Kingdom. London United were the launch customer for the MetroCity, taking delivery of 4 examples in April 2014. These were followed in May 2014 by 12 for Quality Line, currently the largest operator of the type in London. 2 electric MetroCities were delivered to Arriva London in November 2014, followed by a further 7 in August 2015. Other large purchasers have been New Adventure Travel, 30, and West Coast Motors, 11. New Zealand. In September 2017, Transit Coach Lines ordered 114 for use in Wellington. References. External links. Media related to Optare MetroCity at Wikimedia Commons.